So this is my tidy art and craft room after a whole day yesterday of tidying it up. I've got everything all nicely packed up again in boxes and nothing on the floor. Yay! So I've got a lovely walk into my craft room. I still haven't gone through the drawers in my desk, but I will get round to that. And I haven't really done much to my table, but at least now I've got more space on my table to work with. And all up there as well. Yay! So I just thought that I would show you a before this time, before I actually start crafting. Yay! And I've really got nowhere there to keep all my big papers, so I kind of like just throw them all up there until I get at some other containers. Okay, so yay, that's it.